now Lakshman is back here, and then he tried to make it sing, which he had promised us yesterday. That's why we said in the agenda that you'll see a singing robot. And when he tried to make it sing, it sang something quite Martian. So he did say that he'll come back and tell us that it sings something Bollywood, and now he's going to show us the robot singing something Bollywood. So he's written some code on your machine. I can actually see some Visual Studio code, and you can just in 15 seconds tell us what this code does, and then actually run this code to see a Bollywood song being sung by our little iRobot over here.
So this code is a serial port programming in C#. What this code does is it sends a series of opcodes to the iRobot. It's just a signals to the iRobot such that the robot sings.
So each opcode is probably an instruction that says that asks it to do something, right?
It plays the notes.
To play a particular frequency of sound, which probably comes up as a note to us.
Exactly. So this is the byte array.
This is the byte array for which song? Kajrare?
Yeah, Kajrare. It's an Arabic song. It's an Arabian.
It's an song. Arabic version of Kajrare.
Yeah.
You still didn't do Bollywood, did you? Okay.
Okay. All right. This defines a song. This code defines a song, and then this plays the song. So let's go ahead and run. Let's switch on the iRobot.
Okay, the iRobot is switching on.
Yeah. Let's go ahead and run the code.
Running the code. It's a little UI. Sing.
It sings.
That's Kajrare in Arabic. Kajrare.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's still playing.
I'm now beginning to doubt that after the Martian song in the morning and this Arabic Kajrare version now, I'm now beginning to doubt that it's not the iRobot that can't sing. It definitely can sing. We're just looking at the source code on his PC, and it obviously means that it's the coder that really doesn't know how to make music, right? So it's
not with the coder.
The robot singing is always dependent on the level of music, understanding of music of this thing.
Exactly.
So
I'm not a music guy. I'm not a technology guy.
Okay, he finally accepted that he's not a musician, and hence his robot is not a musician. We will actually have to make some more advances to get the robots to learn music on their own without human intervention, right? So anyway, fine. The robot could barely sing, but the robot did walk in the virtual environment. So let's make it walk in the real environment now.
Yeah.
All right. So you're going to make it walk, and you're going to show us how.
I'm running the VPL code right now. This VPL code is to move the robot in all directions. So I'll go ahead and run the VPL code. So this is the DSS environment, Decentralized System Services. You can access this environment anywhere in the world, provided you open the ports here on your router. So I get a Explorer here. This is to communicate with the robot. To access the robo sensors, you need to put the robo in full mode.
Right.
So I'm accessing through the serial port number 4. That's a COM port where my robo is connected. Click on connect. So this is a beep. Make sure that the robo is connected. And then I'll press the forward button right now.
Nice, really nice.
And then press stop. And then backward button. The robo move backwards.
Okay.
And then left.
And there it goes left.
And then right.
Now right.
So this is how the robo moves. The iRobot create. That's it.
All right, and I don't want this cameraman who's been taking all this to fall on me, so thanks. That was actually the iRobot walking. So you actually can make people walk if not sing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, or not people, I mean robots walk if not sing. So he's getting there. I mean, he's a young guy. He's taking his footsteps with Robotics Studio, as you can see, and he'll also get to the vocal part. There's another thing that a lot of people around the office who also logged into Virtual Tech Days told us, right? They said they wanted to see a face and hands and legs and a robot. So I think
that's a 3D holograph.
It's a 3D holograph. Is that possible to create?
You need to have a device. You need to have a device and then plug into the serial port of this.
All right, and then it's programming that just tells what image needs to be projected and all that.
Yeah.
So that is possible to be created, and it is possible to give a human form to whatever robots are being created. Right. There's another friend of ours who said she wants a robot that can do massages and things like that. Is it possible?
Yeah. No, not.
Can they contact you or something? Can I give your email ID to them?
You need to have a humanoid for that.
You need to have a humanoid for that. Okay. All right. So interesting, and as you can see, there are a lot of interesting requests coming up already. If you want a robot to do something for you, mail us at vtd@microsoft.com, and we will put you in touch with Lakshman, and we'll see what you can do. You can take this robot and go to Planet Supreet and Planet Pandu, like we mentioned in the last break, and you can do a whole bunch of things there. So we actually are. Since his robot could not sing for us, we actually going to come back in the next break. We're still deciding who's the best singer among us. It could be this these girls called Anju or Rupa, or it could be Pradipta, or it could be Riza. One of those is going to be here and going to sing. If nobody sings for us, we'll probably have Lakshman coming back to sing for us, because we have an interesting piece of software from Microsoft Research called Songsmith that's now available. It lets you create songs and add music to accompaniment to it. So we will do some singing with one of the people here, and we will do much better singing than we could see with the iRobot.